Hey guys, so today is going to be a very important day. We are going to be growing a Chia Pet, and we are going to give my little buddy
Bob Ross
some hair. So I don't know how to do this, but hopefully it works. I've seen a lot of photos of like botched Chia Pets, and that's probably what this is going to turn out to be like, but we can always try, right? Okay, I have the directions here. I think I have to like soak it in water, but I have the seeds and then also like instructions, so let's actually read them. So the first thing that it says that I have to do is soak my chia planter in water for half an hour. So I guess my boy's gotta go in water. Okay guys, sorry for the bad quality. I'm filming on my iPhone, but I just put the chia thing into the water, and now it says that I have to put 2 teaspoons of seeds in 1/4 cup water, and I have to let it sit for half an hour. Okay, alright. It looks weird. It's not going into the water, it's just sitting on top, so. Well, I guess I'm gonna let this sit for 30 minutes, so peace. Okay, I just read through like all of the instructions, and it literally won't start growing till like 5 days, so. And also it's kind of hard. I thought it was gonna be super easy, but it's actually pretty hard. The audio is weird. My mic just like died and just like fell down, so it's gonna be sitting there instead of on top. Okay, bye. Okay, so I think this is gonna be the best angle to do it at. I'm just gonna do it on my lap.
I apologize for the piece of paper in the background and also the box that's just like laying on the floor. I had to package something in the 30 minutes that the chia was like doing its thing, so I make messes.
You guys can really see how like just slimy this stuff is. Okay guys, so as you can see, it's literally dripping everywhere down the back. It's not looking too good right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and let these dry. I'll keep you guys updated on the process, and I'll come back to you. It says it takes like 4 days to start growing, so you guys, it's the morning after. It's growing! It looks like really disgusting, like it kind of looks like maggots or something, but yeah. So here is what it looks like. Hopefully it's gonna work. So I just have like a bunch of water, and I guess I'm just gonna fill it. Okay, so it is Sunday morning, and I started doing this whole entire process on Monday. So it took a whole entire week to complete. So I didn't really expect it to take that long, but I feel like I should have expected it to take that long. Here it is. So as you can see, it's got definitely some bald spots going on there. The top is like pretty good. It's supposed to still grow like a lot taller, and then you like cut it or something, but I think that it looks pretty good the way that it is right now. It took a long time to grow. It started growing, I'm gonna say, on maybe Thursday. So it did take a few days to grow. Anyways, that is the end of the video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it just entertaining. This video, you really didn't learn anything from this video. This video was literally just for entertainment, but if you liked it, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you like my content, make sure to share my videos with your friends and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna go, oh gosh, it's dripping.